Today is an important day as we swear in the new commissioners and board members who help drive the progress of our great state. The ceremony reflects our commitment to good governance, service, and delivery on the promise we made to the people of Edo State. The newly appointed commissioners, I wish to congratulate all of you. This appointment is not just an honor, but a call to service with dedication, integrity, and excellence. You have been chosen because your skill and the trust we have in your ability to contribute meaningfully to the development of our state. I encourage you to work with shared sense of purpose, prioritize teamwork, and remain focused on improving the lives of our citizens. Today, we can make Edo State a model of growth and prosperity.
That the earnest desire of Mr. Governor is the transformation of the state. I want to assure you that, incidentally, that is our supreme goal. There is no way we can talk about development in Edo State without looking back. Because your coming, as I have said, is the perfection of what Adnan Soshomole did. Now, we are looking at Dante's Divine Comedy. How Beatrice completed all that Virgil did. Just as Jerusalem perfect all that Athens had accomplished. That is the same way. That is the same way you have come to perfect all that Oshomole has done. I want to assure you that with us, Noli Timere Ego Sum. Fear not, it is I. We are loyal, true and true.
On behalf of myself and every chairman of board and members of the board, I want to say a big thank you for this opportunity, and that the trust that you have on us, we will not disappoint you. And also, there is something I know about you. You inspect what you expect, and we are ready to inspect what we expect for Edo State.